Right, here we go. Never bothers me going for hikes with my hair system on. I've got glue at the moment. Probably start sweating. Won't we, Misty? Yeah, you're a mountain goat. Here we go. This is the easy part. Then it gets difficult. Yeah, we go hiking as much as possible. Means sweating. With the glue, sometimes that means it can go white. But generally, as long as I'm not running, it's not too bad at all. Have a look. Beautiful. God's country. You like this, don't you, Misty? It's quite misty. Excuse the pun, misty. It's misty up there. So we'll go as far as we can. I don't mind taking a risk, but she means far more to me than I mean to me. And I get Ben to impose a picture of Misty jumping over a wall and me catching her as a 200-foot drop. The picture was only taken because Mummy was taking pictures of the view behind and pressed the button as she saw it happen. So we go as far as we can. Come on. However, one of my biggest tips is I've got leave-in conditioner spray in the bongo, in Judy's car, in the flat, in the office, at my mum's place, and I spray leave-in conditioner into the hair system 5 or 6 times a day. Right, I'm putting a blast up this, quite steep, and I can feel my head perspiring. Has it gone white yet? That's why I wear adhesive tapes, because I'm so oily that the glue goes white as soon as I start sweating. And these are steep steps, trust me. But so far, so good. We've done quite well. Misty, you panting? Yeah. It's not as clear as this picture. You're supposed to see the top and a van from here, and that's what you can see. Like I said, I'm a risk taker, but she's far more important to me to take a risk coming up to a couple of ledges up there. So, ask questions, here to help. I think the hair system has not gone white. Well done, Misty. If I go any further, your mother will not be very happy. Oh, just stopped on the way back down. You can probably see how much I'm sweating. So the hair system and the cream adhesives have done well.